What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to J Cash Chess. Today we're going to be installing this Housemark Luna 8 light glass pendant, and for our dining room, this is what we are replacing. We're making it a lot more modern because we installed this over here. I did make a video on that, so we're going to be replacing it with this right here. We're going to show you installation and when it's done. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Do be sure to shut the power off at your circuit breaker before ever doing any electrical project. So alright, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so we are going to take off our old chandelier. This may be a little bit different from your light that you are unmounting, but it will be pretty similar. So we are taking down the outlet box cover plate, disconnecting it from the ceiling. Alrighty, so this is what our wires look like, as you can see. So we went ahead and took our existing chandelier down. Your wiring may look a little bit different, but it should look relatively similar. So let's go ahead and get started with the installation of our new chandelier. Alrighty, so what you're going to go ahead and do is unscrew this screw here, as well as the screw on this side, so that way you can mount this separately without these screws. It'll be a lot easier to just mount it up there. And then later, you can put these screws back on, which will have this box go up. It just makes the installation so much easier. So we're going to go ahead and unscrew them now. Alrighty, so the first thing we did was we attached this pole over here to the main body, because these screw holes will line up with the holes on this side, and then we did the same thing over here, exact same thing. These screw holes will match up with these screw holes on this side. So next you want to go ahead and fish the wires through from here through the pole up into here, so that way we can connect them to this. Now we are using the shorter poles, and so we are actually going to strip some of this wire, so that way we don't have so much wire sitting in here. If you're using the longer poles, then the wire will take up the space inside the poles. Alrighty, so the trick with this is that you need to screw on the poles to the base of your light, the actual light itself, and the box at the exact same time. Otherwise, it's not going to work properly. So we're gonna do that now. One little quick tip. So when you are doing the box installation, you need to make sure that the silver circle inside of the box is even with whatever you're lining it up to, because otherwise your box is not going to be even, because the screw holes on the metal circle plate is where the screw holes are going to line up on the box. So if those are not straight, the box is not straight. Alrighty, so now we have connected our wires as well as mounted the box to the roof. So now we are going to go ahead and test it. We don't have all the bulbs in yet, but we're going to go ahead and test it. We have that bulb in right there, and see if it lights up. We should see the ring light up as well. Alrighty, and it works. So as you can see, we have the ring lit up. This bulb is lighting properly. It is dimming. And then now we're going to go ahead, now that we know that it's wired, we're going to mount on all of our other bulbs. So right here, these LEDs are going to go on to the little bracket first, and then you're going to screw on the balls. Please note that some balls are bigger than others, and so the directions will tell you in certain places, like for example right there, that is going to be a smaller ball, but here maybe a bigger ball. The directions will tell you where bigger and smaller balls go. Alrighty, so we did discover that there is actually only one bigger bulb, which is that one right there. All of the other ones are small. Alrighty, lighting it up. Here it is. So the ring lights up, and then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lights. So you got 8 balls and then 1 ring. That's a total of 8 lights. So yeah, alrighty. So thank you for checking out this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and definitely go check out some more videos if you are interested. We have this light up here that we did a video on, and this is a video on this one. So alrighty guys, thank you for watching.